my feet. Did you find your feet?
Say yes.
Did you find your feet?
Say hi, Grandma. I'm 5 months old today.
You have little feet. Logan. 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 Little feet. Look at her little feet. Your little feet.
He's like, I can't get it.
Whose feet are those?
Is that your foot? Yeah.
Whose feet are those? Whose feet are those? Is that your feet? Is that your feet? Yeah, is that your feet? Huh? Is that your feet?
Little bouncy chair. Yeah. He's in a better mood after getting a nice long nap, aren't you? Yeah. Yes, you are. Say, I am 5 months old. I am a big baby. Yep, a big baby. Hi. You found your feet, didn't you? Yes, you did. If you could just get them to your mouth. If you could just get them to your mouth. I bet you chew on them, huh? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Say yes, I'm sleepy. Yes, I'm sleepy. Yes, I am. Okay. Say I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.